Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install MetaMask. So we're going to go and use either Google Chrome or Firefox, and we're going to type in MetaMask add-on. Okay, and it'll be the first one here. Just make sure you click on the one that's for your browser. So Chrome is this one, and then Mozilla is this one. So make sure you get the right one. All right, so I click on that, and I just click Add to Chrome, add extension. Do, do, do. Okay. So it's done. MetaMask has been added to Chrome. Perfect. Oh, looks like it disappeared. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna select pin to pin it. Where did it go? There we go. I want to pin it so I can see it up here. All right. All right, connecting. So welcome to MetaMask. Get started. This will create a new wallet. Yeah, create a wallet. No thanks. I'm gonna set a password. Give me a second. All right, set a password. I'm gonna click here, click create. So this comes up. I'm just gonna click next, and I'm gonna pause it when I reveal my secret recovery phrase. Now you want to store this phrase somewhere safe because you're going to need it when you want to access MetaMask. So you're gonna store it somewhere safe. Okay. So I stored it somewhere safe, and I clicked on next. Now it's going to ask you to confirm your secret recovery phrase. So you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna select the phrase one at a time here. So let's say if loan was the first word of my phrase, I'm gonna click on loan, then I'm gonna click on the next one, and so on and so forth until I've clicked on all the words of the phrase, and I'm gonna click confirm. So let me go ahead and do that. Great. So it says congratulations, you passed the test. I'm gonna say all done. I'm gonna close this one with an X. Now next I need to add the BSC network. So I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna click on add network, and the information will be below the video. But let me quickly go ahead and get the info that I need so that I can do the rest of that. Okay, so URL, sorry, network name is Smart Chain. URL is this, chain ID, this is BNB, and this is gonna be, oh, there we go. Let's grab that, put it in, and save. So now I've added the BNB network. So that's pretty much it in terms of installing MetaMask.